when the short seller will cover for AMC, where the price target for this month in May for AMC and GameStop. This is the main question for everybody right now, because if you just bought the right dip, guys, this is could be the biggest trade for this year, because once the short seller cover, we're gonna have a huge mega squeeze, not even a squeeze, because the price is really undervalued right now for AMC. So let's dive right in and discuss both AMC and GameStop. Before we gonna go further, hit the like button and the way in, because we always do update for AMC, GameStop, crypto stocks, cryptos, everything, swing trade, day trade. We do it here on our YouTube, and we go live every day 30 minutes before the market open, and of course before that on our live streaming that we do, especially on our Discord and Patreon. The link in comment section below if you want to have early alerts, of course. So now what we should go from here. AMC, as we discussed before, got shorted just before the $4 and the $3.75. We see how much the volatility here. Once we tested this level, we have, yes, almost quarter million, because before we have, like, the volume is dead, but this the only day that we have almost quarter million for volatility, because the short seller added their position around this level, the $3.75, and now we have a dip. So where are we gonna go from here? Because the price went down for AMC from here to there almost 23%, but we're still holding kind of over a new support, which is the $2.70. We have the low before back in 16th of April around the $2.39. So we don't go further from there. So there's a chance for a reversal and doing higher lows from here. So if we don't go back and do double bottom, this will be a good strength for AMC to do a new low here over, or a new high for AMC over the $2.72. We don't want to go back towards the $2.39, because this would be the first sign of weakness, because after we break this level, we might go toward the $2, then the $1, and do a new low. So now we have to watch of holding over the $2.70 at least, then retest the $3.75 to squeeze. Because once we make the short squeeze here, guys, the sky's the limit, guys. We're gonna have a huge bump here, almost 200% until the 11. But before that, of course, as we discussed before, we're gonna have this target triggered first around the $6.55. For GameStop, on the other hand, volatility is pretty low after the bad earnings that we have, that we tested the $16, then the price went down. The same for GameStop. If we go here, we see the volatility is nearly almost the 600K. A lot of volatility before the earnings. Short added their position because we have bad earnings for GameStop. Price went down. The good thing is we're still holding the $10. However, if we still didn't break this level, guys, the coming days, it means GameStop will have another dip, which is the 12.15. This is where the short seller added their position. So if we don't break this level really soon, it means we're gonna have a dip toward the $8.30, and this will give us how much for the dip? 22%. From the earning, we have 35%. So we might have another 22% for GameStop toward the $8.30, only if we don't break the 12.15, because as we said, this is a confirmation if the short added their position once again for GameStop. We're gonna do update for all those stocks, GameStop, AMC, all the other stocks, for tomorrow live streaming on Friday. So join us, guys, 30 minutes before the market open. If you have any questions, just leave it in comment section below and let me know in comment section below what you think. Which one will squeeze first, AMC or GameStop for this year? Okay, see you guys by tomorrow.